Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. All right, so we spent the last couple sessions, including the Globex session that we're in right now, really fighting over the 20-day simple moving average, the middle Bollinger Band, which is really the delineator of whether or not we are in a buy dips or a sell rallies type of market. So, it's just been a lot of trying to break down from that, trying to break out from that, and just a lot of reverting to the mean. So let's hop. But what I mentioned here is, is it flagging up to the 9 and the 50-day for a breakdown? That's fine. But, if I'm the bears, what I would say to them is, you really want to handle that today. I would handle that today. Come in with some authority and knock it down today. It's just, it would be best, because the longer you linger around here, then we're going to go up and grab the 100-day. Then we're going to end up back up at the upper band. You've already ruled out a straight breakdown from the middle band to a rejection to a move to the lower band. That's, you had a couple days to figure that out. You couldn't do it. So all you're doing here is just continuing to make higher lows from the CPI low down at 35.02. So the bears need to make a little bit of a statement today, if they can. Let's go take a look. Hourly chart. So you can see they tried to break it out, couldn't get it done. Tried to break it down, couldn't get it done. Reverts back to the 20-day, reverts up to the 20-day. That was Friday. So as far as Globex is concerned, you got the new weekly pivot, 37.63, not too far from the monthly pivot. You had a bounce. Europe Open took it down to the 20-day, bounced it, and did they take this high out? I don't think they did. No, they pretty much matched it. So now you got this 38.05 up there versus the 20-day, and that's pretty much going to be the day. You got the 50 just above. So the battle lines are really drawn. It's, let's freehand draw stuff. Let's do that. Awesome. You got to win that box. You got to win that box. And you'd certainly win the day. You might win the week. So what would be the results of winning the box for the bulls? You will have converted the 20-day, the weekly pivot, the monthly pivot, 50-day, and probably the 9-day, all to support. What else is there to do? Go back up to the pre-FOMC price from last week. Okay? What's there for the bears? Well, you will have held off the 50, converted monthly, weekly, 20-day to resistance. If you can come in and break that low, then you have a chance to go down and start to make a move back to things like 36.40. So win that box and you pretty much win the day. There's not much more to say than that. And inside the box, there's plenty of elbow room to get things done. It's about 50, 60 handles. But be aware, until it's ready to go, it's going to get choppy. And I wouldn't be surprised to see this Bollinger Bandwidth continue to trend down and we be in a little bit more of a consolidation phase, continuing this little, this is really a consolidation except for these little outbursts, since FOMC. It certainly is comfortable trading down here with stuff with 37s on it, which we've seen in the past. The bulls have looked very uncomfortable over the course of the summer and into the fall, trading stuff with 38s on it. The bears have looked very uncomfortable trading stuff with 36s on it. Certainly completely uncomfortable trading anything with a 35 handle. So we're just settled into this price zone, and we'll see where it goes next. Always have an open mind on a Monday morning. Always have an open mind. We'll see who wins that box. All right. That's all I got. Everybody have a fantastic day. Come check out the room. Learn how to trade this stuff. We will make you a better trader. Be safe. Be healthy. Take care. Trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow.